So one of the things I'm trying to do is I sent a Trader X last night. I said, well, it's the same framing except the MMRB changes. By MMRB, I'm talking about that green box. There's a reason why I use boxes, and there's a reason I use circles, and there's a reason why I have just these few indicators. Simple and as reduced on the cognitive load as I can, so I can focus on the things I want to, which is entrances and exits. So that's why I use the boxes. And I also use the boxes during the trade on whatever time frame, so I have time to think about what it is that I'm doing. Can I do those calculations in my head? Absolutely. But how many times, you go to the supermarket and you try to help the cashier and you say, well, yeah, it should be about $17.38. Well, sir, it's actually $27.17, right? We're human. So when I set these boxes up, the first time I do it, I check the size and I check, how I place them. Then I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. In that day, I know I'm not going to make the mistake, right? But the other reason is while I'm in the trade, if I'm monkeying around with these boxes, it literally gives my monkey brain something to do. So I'm not, freaking out and worrying about what's actually happening with the trade. I can stick to my rules by occupying that part of my brain on something else. Thanks again for stopping by and watching the video. Come and check us out at www.thesnipersecret.com and like and subscribe or comment on these videos. Have a great day.